got myself a present, not the most glamorous, but more than likely the most useful. Basically, I am like a pet and my hair loves to molt. With my stairs, I have to literally dustpan and brush them before I vacuum them because my hair literally gets ground into the carpet. It is so irritating. I really want to get my stairs done, you know, where like all the cool people have just like a little strip of carpet in the middle. That's the goal, but I just need to see if my landlord will let me. I've been waiting like 2 weeks. I really want to change it. So in the meantime, I have gone and got like this pet brush. So, I mean, it's not just for pets, it's for all hair and stuff. So it is a rubber broom and it's supposed to pick up all of the hair. And I'm not going to lie, as much as I do brush them and vacuum the stairs, I dread to think how much is actually going to come out from underneath the carpet. So this is the broom. As you can see, it is rubber. So that means it's washable as well. You do obviously have to fix it all together, but what I thought was really handy about this, then I can actually pack it away. I'm just going to put it back into the box for storage. I'll show you how quick this is, eh? You're literally just screwing it in. It's not even going to take a minute. Done and dusted, nearly. So I'm going to give it a little test on one of the steps on my stairs. Yeah, I dread to think what this is going to look like, but yeah, I thought I'd demo it. So as grim as it is, you can see it has lifted up my hairs. So now I'm going to crack on with the rest. But yeah, I think it's really good if you're like me and your hair just molts everywhere, or you have pets. Perfect little cleaning device for the home. Chaotic scenes right now.